Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying support and updating the system. Make sure your device model supports True Tone and install the latest iOS update. Once done, go straight to Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and flip the True Tone switch off and then on again. This forces the sensor to reevaluate. Also disable night shift and low power mode while testing so they don't mask color or brightness changes. This gets you immediate feedback without deep troubleshooting. Next, focus on the ambient light system. Toggle auto brightness to prompt recalibration and remove any case or screen protector that could block the sensor. Force restart the phone to clear sensor cache and then test True Tone in multiple light environments: bright daylight, warm indoor light, and dim rooms, because True Tone adapts per scene. If colors look wrong, toggle auto brightness again and repeat the cycle. This sequence helps the phone relearn the room spectrum and often restores correct True Tone behavior. Finish by escalating software fixes. Back up your device, then reset all settings to rule out configuration conflicts. After that, try a clean restore from backup. If True Tone still doesn't respond, perform a DFU restore or set up as new to confirm it's not software. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes after a restore, the ambient light sensor or display hardware is likely at fault. Book an Apple diagnostic or authorized repair, because a hardware calibration or module replacement will be required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.